Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Harveywetdog and Hillside House. This afternoon we're opening up our new HP Spectre 4K computer. Let's get on with it. Well, the first thing you notice is this very elegant box and carrying handle. Very useful if you've picked the laptop up at a store. This has come through the post, so doesn't really serve any purpose for me. Some tape here, so I'm just going to snip through that and then we'll be into the box. And slide the inside box out. One thing that was in the box, make sure you don't throw away, is this very elegant carrying case. I'm just going to put that aside for a minute. Another good collection of plastic here protecting it. Put those two aside. Just work our way into this now. So, just realised that I had the box actually upside down. The clue is on the lid. Here we go. Very nice box. Of lining there, and here within the box is the laptop itself. A piece of plastic there to help you lift it out. So here is the laptop, still within the plastic. USB socket here, power switch, headphones, SD card socket, HDMI port, and two of the new style of USB socket there. Hoping that's going to slide out of there. Does have a beautiful, elegant appearance to it. And there we have it. Can't really see a lot yet. Obviously this is the 4K screen, conventional keyboard as you would expect. A really elegant feel to the laptop though. Speakers I can see are here. So I just can't wait to get it powered up and see what the screen looks like. Okay, there are the setup instructions. And within this very elegant box we have a power lead for the UK, power supply there, and this is the stylus for writing on the screen in effect. So that's the first phase of the opening of the new HP Spectre laptop completed. 15-inch 4K screen. Really looking forward to getting Adobe Premiere Pro loaded on here and editing videos in the field. It's time now to get it powered up and let's see what it can do. Thank you very much for watching. Just to finish off this section, here's some of the 4K video I shot last year on the AX100 running on the laptop. It's running perfectly, there's no buffering, it's just running exactly as you'd want it to, looks like you're there. That's a great result. So we're working now with Adobe Premiere Pro, and I just wanted to show this simple test of the performance of the laptop. A piece of video that I shot last year at Blenheim. Now that is running at full 4K on the monitor there, and it's just faultless. And last year, that with the other laptop, that just wouldn't have run. So that was what I wanted. I'm so pleased with that. I think we're going to have a good time together. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to bring you some 2018 action very shortly.